It's not very good.
What do you mean?
It's chicken. No, that's wrong.
You better eat because you forget.
I know, and there's
Chinese people work hard on those.
You know what? I'm thirsty. Oh, it's on.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. They were funky giants.
Cat. In your face!
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? And notes keep falling at your
Stop! You licked my face.
I got my nose. You go.
We can.